Do you have an active ATM, credit, or debit card? If yes, congratulations. You are eligible for free accidental death cover of up to rupees 10 lakhs. Surprised? Well, you're not alone. Because most of us are not even aware of such free insurance covers attached to our credit or debit card. Or maybe we are not told about it on purpose. Who knows? Free insurance covers like accidental insurance cover, travel accident protection cover, credit insurance cover, purchase protection cover, and many more. Okay, let's talk about few of these free complimentary inbuilt insurance covers that you get with your credit and debit card, and at last the top banks that provide these free covers that are kept hidden from you. So the first insurance cover is free accidental death cover. As per the insurance rules, debit or credit card users are given free accidental death cover from rupees 50,000 up to rupees 10 lakhs, depending upon the type of card you are using. Like you might have seen the RuPay card, which is the Indian version of Visa and MasterCard. So the RuPay card holder, especially the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan account holder, can enjoy free personal accidental death and permanent disability insurance of up to rupees 2 lakhs if claimed within 90 days from the date of accident. Not just that, some credit card companies even offer complimentary insurance cover up to rupees 50 lakhs or above. For example, Snapdeal FDFC Bank credit card and HDFC Money Back credit card give free accidental death cover of up to rupees 50 lakhs. While the Jet Airways IndusInd Bank Voyage credit card offers a complimentary personal air accident insurance cover of up to rupees 25 lakhs. So the second protection insurance that you get with your credit or debit card is purchase protection insurance cover. If you have purchased any good or asset using your debit or credit card and there happens a damage during home delivery, theft, or damage due to fire or riots, you can claim the purchase protection insurance for the goods you bought in the past 90 days. Now different banks offer different plans. Like all HDFC credit cards have purchase protection, which is valid for 180 days post purchase and restricted to goods purchased above rupees 5,000. Now the coverage limit for personal portable equipment is rupees 25,000 per item, while maximum sum insured for any other asset is rupees 2 lakh. ICICI Bank offers insurance cover for goods bought through its debit card, and Axis Bank offer the cover on limited cards such as Infinite and Signature cards. Third, travel insurance cover. Some credit cards offer additional travel insurance benefits that provides cover for lost baggage, lost passport or other important documents, etc. Like in case if your baggage goes missing for more than 48 hours post your arrival at the destination, you can claim a benefit from your bank. Some credit cards even cover both domestic as well as international travel. Now let's see the list of insurance credit cards offered by top banks that you should know. So the first bank in the list is HDFC Bank. The HDFC Bank Regalia credit card comes with an insurance cover against air accidental death and emergency overseas hospitalization. So in case of an air accidental death, the cardholder's nominee is eligible to get a compensation of rupees 1 crore. And in case of medical emergency abroad, cover worth up to rupees 15 lakhs can be claimed. Second, IndusInd Bank. The IndusInd Bank Aura credit cards provide an insurance cover of rupees 10,000 for lost baggage, rupees 50,000 for lost passport, and rupees 25,000 each for lost ticket or delayed baggage. Number 3. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Royal Signature Credit Card offers a cover of rupees 2,50,000 against the fraudulent usage of credit card up to 7 days before the reporting the incident. Number 4. Axis Bank. The Axis Bank Privilege Credit Card offers you an air accident cover of rupees 2.5 crore, while lost card liability is rupees 3 lakhs. Apart from this, if you lose your important documents on flight, you can avail lost travel documents cover of $300. Even if you face any delay in the baggage check-in process, you can avail a cover of $300, and in case of loss of check-in baggage, you can avail a check-in baggage cover of $500. Number 5. ICICI Bank. The travel card issued by ICICI Bank offers rupees 10 lakh as a personal air accident insurance cover. If you miss connecting flight while traveling overseas, you get a cover of $300. You can avail cover of $500 for loss of important documents during flight. If the plane is hijacked, you get a cover of $3,000. In case your checked-in baggage receipt is delayed, you can avail a cover of $300. You can also avail Rs 2000 as lost card liability cover and Rs 2 lakh as counterfeit card liability cover. Now before you jump straight to any conclusions, here are a few things you need to take care of while claiming the insurance. Number 1. The card should be in active use. Number 2. Cardholder should have done an active transaction 90 days prior to the date of accident. The date may vary for different credit or debit card. Number 3. Claim should be made within a particular time frame. Like for RuPay card, claim intimation should be done within 90 days from the date of accident. Number 4. The accidental life cover will be given on just one credit or debit card, no matter how many you own. Number 5. You may also need to maintain a minimum average balance in your bank account. Now the customers are suggested to contact or check their respective banks about the kind of insurances they offer along with the procedure and conditions for insurance claim. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this information, please like, share, comment and do subscribe for more interesting stuffs. Thank you.